Celebrate the joy of Easter with our adorable Easter basket, filled with sweet treats, colorful eggs, and cute surprises, perfect for kids and family gifts. Make this Easter extra special. Order now before it's gone. Stop buying boring eggs this Easter. Make your own. These white Easter eggs come with 8 colorful markers. Just draw, design, and have fun. Perfect for kids, family time, and Insta-worthy creations. Get yours before they sell out. Everyone decorates for Easter, but this is different. A beautiful empty tomb and cross scene, reminding us of the true meaning of Easter. Perfect for your home, office, or as a meaningful Christian gift. Simple, elegant, and full of faith. Get yours today and make this Easter truly special. Planning an Easter party? Don't miss this. This all-in-one decoration kit has everything: balloon garland, banner, cake toppers, and shiny foil curtains. Turn your home into a perfect Easter celebration spot in minutes. Cute, colorful, and totally Instagram ready. Grab yours now before your party starts.